Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shai. All praise to Yahweh, Ba'Shem Yahweh Shai, Ba'Shem Gagadash. Double honors with Apostle Great Millstone. Salutation to the elect expression this truth. So today I want to talk about that you're supposed to be, everybody's supposed to be under one accord. All right. And there's only one way to be saved. Okay. There isn't any, there's only one way to be saved. Okay. Like, because, in the world, they like to say that, okay, some people, can be saved and they're homosexual. Some people can be saved and they're, they're Edomite, they're white. Some people can be saved and they're Muslim. Some people can be saved in all these different manners, but there's only one manner, okay? And one spirit and one doctrine that you can be saved under, okay? You can't be saved under, if you're a Muslim, you're not, if you're into Islam, you're not gonna be saved, okay? And Most High could have mercy on you and get you out of it, but Islam is a false religion, okay? It's a false religion. He could have mercy on you to get you out of it so you can come under the correct teachings, okay, under GMS. But, I mean, if you're into that, Islam, okay, Islam's is a false religion, okay? Christianity is a false religion as well, okay? All these other religions are false, alright? All of them. And you're supposed to be under one doctrine, okay? So let's get some scripture to substantiate that. So this is Ephesians chapter 4, verse 3. Endeavoring to keep the unity of the Spirit in the bond of peace. There is one body and one Spirit, even as ye are called in one hope of your calling. One Lord, one faith, one baptism, one God and Father of all, who's above all and through all and in you all. But unto every one of us is given grace according to the measure of the gift of Mashiach. Okay, so that's just proof that everyone's supposed to be under one accord. Okay. You're supposed to be under one accord, okay? So you're supposed to, so you can't have, different opinions in terms of how things are in terms of like, how salvation is going to be. Like, you can't, if you don't think the mark of the beast, okay, is a 666, RFID microchip, okay? If you don't think that, well, then you're not in the same spirit as certain brothers that believe that. Okay, if you don't believe that the nuclear missiles, okay, is the ultimate weapon, that's gonna be that ultimate fire, okay, that's gonna be the lake of fire. If you don't believe that, well, you're not under that same spirit. Okay, you're supposed to be under one body, one spirit. Everyone's supposed to be in agreement. Okay, it's not like, okay, we're gonna have like in the Christian church to say, okay, there's Seventh-day Adventist, there's kind of Pentecostal, or there's Baptist, okay, or Jehovah's Witness, okay, and all this, there's confusion, okay, and then, but we're all believing. No, alright, we're all supposed to be agreeing, okay, and how do you know what measures you're supposed to be agreeing on? You're supposed to go by the scriptures to see if you're right in the things you're agreeing on, and to approve all things, okay? So when all this madness and like, everyone's gonna be saved, if you're good at, this is a bunch of bullshit, okay? Everyone's supposed to be under one accord, alright? And if it says one God and one Father of all, so there's one Most High, okay? It's not like, okay, there's, Most High, and okay, then there's Allah, okay, and then there's Shiva, and then everyone's, no, in this kumbaya shit. No, it's not that, okay? You people need to pick, okay? You need to decipher and then pick, all right? Not all this madness, because that's confusion, all right? It even says, ye are called in one hope. Okay, so one under the Most High first, and then Yahushai. So like there's multiple Yahushais, and there's multiple saviors. It's only one Yahushai. That's it. And if you don't believe in Yahushai, well, that's not the same spirit. It's not the same accord. You're going to be destroyed. Okay? Because you're not letting Yahushua's blood, his sacrifice, okay, cover you. Okay? Because you're supposed to be covered by the blood of Yahushua. And if you're not, and you're an Israelite, then you're still under the law. Okay? Alright. So let's get some more scriptures. So this is Isaiah chapter 30, verse. So, verse 21. Yeah, verse 21. And thy ears shall hear a word behind thee saying, this is the way, walk ye in it, when ye turn to the right hand and when ye turn to the left. Okay? So, it's a specific one way to be walking. Alright? Don't turn to the left, don't turn to the right. Okay? Just stay in your lane. Alright? Stay in this one doctrine, this one truth. Okay? Stop mixing. Don't mix shit. You're not supposed to be doing that. Okay? There's lots of people like to say, you know what? I don't trust in any church. I don't trust in any religion. I don't trust in anything. I'm just going to take bits and pieces out of some. No, okay? No. That's unorganized and that's confusion, alright? If you're doing that, taking bits and pieces from others, and you're creating your own thing, and then someone else takes bits and pieces, like, that's just, okay? That's just unorganized, alright? That's confusion, okay? The devil is the author of confusion, alright? The Most High is about righteousness and order, okay? Simple as that. Alright, so let's get more. And because it's supposed to be one way you're supposed to be behaving, okay? It's not like there's different ways, different doctrines, okay? Multiple doctrines you're supposed to be extracting from. All you need is the word, okay? The word of Yahweh Shem Yahushai, which is these scriptures, alright? Broken down the correct way, which GMS is the only one that breaks it down the correct way, alright? This is 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 10. Now I beseech you, brethren, by the name of our Lord Yahushua Mashiach, that ye all speak the same thing, and that there be no divisions among you, but that ye be perfectly joined together in the same mind, in the same judgment. Okay, so that speaks for itself, right? So under Yahweh Shem Yahushai, okay, and under the correct teachings, all right, you're supposed to be behaving this. You're supposed to be saying the same thing. There's not supposed to be discretion, okay, about this, okay, about this. It's not supposed to be discretion. You're all supposed to be doing the same thing. No divisions. Not one person saying, you know what? Maybe it's supposed to be all one thing. And if you don't think, this is the correct teachings, then go somewhere else. Make your own thing. All right? Okay, straight up. All right? Okay? So, in the scriptures is saying, we're all supposed to be ingredients. So anything that teaches otherwise is incorrect. All right? If anyone says you can be saved and people can be a bunch of multiple different doctrines, not believing it, that's madness and confusion. All right. So I hope that was edifying, and shalom.